Hi boys and girls, happy Wednesday. We're going to start our phonics lesson with our rhyming. I'm going to say 2 words that rhyme. You're going to say those words, and then you're going to come up with a few more rhyming words. So let's do the first one together. Right, quite. Right, quite, might, fight. Those are some other words that rhyme. All right, the rest of these try to do on your own. Shy, fly. Thing, ring. Take, make. Awesome, I'm sure you came up with lots of good rhyming words. Next is our onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words. If they start with the same sound, give me a thumbs up. If they don't, give me a thumbs down. All right, here we go. Hive, job. Nope, they start with different sounds. Next one. Ed, edge. Yep, they both start with eh. Kept, next. Thumbs down. Love, lot. Good job. Attic, apple. Great. Next, you're going to need your choppers. We are blending our phonemes. So repeat after me. T, I, N, tin. D, I, G, dig. S, I, P, sip. R, I, M, rim. H, I, P, hip. Excellent. Next is our roller coaster. Repeat after me. Hat. H, at. Middle sound. Ah. Good. Next one. When. W, e, n. Middle sound. Eh. Great. Next word is sit. S, it. Your turn. Middle sound. I. Rim. R, I, m. Middle sound. I. And the last one, hut. H, t. Middle sound. Excellent. All right. Next, we are going to be doing, let me see, our segmenting again. You need your choppers. This time we're saying the word, then chopping it up. Repeat after me. Hug. H-u-g. Fun. F-u-n. Cut. K-u-t. Duck. D-u-k. Hut. H-u-t. Great. All right, next we're going to be adding to our words. So you're going to start out with a piece of a word and you're going to add a beginning. Repeat after me. Ought. Add h. Hot. Ox. Add f. Fox. Up. Add m. Mop. Ought. Add n, not. Add p, palm. Excellent. Next one is deleting. You're going to hold a word in your hands and we're going to take away a piece of that word. Repeat after me. Tug. Without t, what's left is ugh. Cup. Without k, what's left is up. Hug. Without h, what's left is ugh. Fun. Without f, what's left is un. Nut. Without n, what's left is ut. Excellent. Our next one is substituting, so you're going to need your fists, all right? We're going to be switching out the beginning of a word. All right, repeat after me. Your word is jam. Change j to h. Ham. Ham. Change h to ram. Ram. Change to s. Sam. Sam. Change s to p. Pam. Pam. Change p to j. Jam. Excellent. All right, our last thing to do is our rhyme. So the one I picked today is hickory dickory dock. So I'm going to say it, then you say it. Remember, if you need to pause and go back and listen again, that's okay. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, hickory dickory dock. Your turn. Great job. All right, awesome today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.